Hey there, welcome to Vim, and I am super excited to have you use our software. Here is a sample project from Autodesk in Revit, and I'm going to convert it into a Vim file. First thing I'll do is log in, enter in my credentials, and this gives me the permission to create as many Vim files as I want. I'll just click here to accept those options. Make sure that I set the 3D view to the one I want, and that the detail level is set to fine. Press start, and in this case, in about 6 minutes, I've generated a Vim file from all of the links that were in Revit. And now, as I bring this up into our desktop app, I think you'll notice that it looks really good, but also runs really quickly. So make sure that you check out the next video to learn a little bit more about our desktop app. Thanks again, and we're really happy that you're on this BIM journey with us as we make BIM accessible to all kinds of folks that just didn't have it before.